Hey, I'm James. I'm doing intermittent fasting. This is day 2. Today was a little bit rougher than yesterday. It started out a little bit tough for me.
Day 2 update. It is about 8:30 in the morning and I'm starving.
But I drank a lot of water, I had a couple of cups of coffee, and that sustained me till about 1:30 when I had my lunch. I'd love to tell you that I only ate half of that, but I ate the whole thing because I was pretty hungry. It was turkey, by the way. Then when it came to dinner time, I had a little bit of bowl of this, a little pasta. It was pretty good. I shared some of it with my son, so I didn't even eat that whole bowl. And I drank a lot of water. So, how's it going so far? For me, I feel like I've got some energy, besides the hunger part of it, which I got over pretty quickly. And I'm already down 2 pounds from yesterday. We'll see if that's just weight fluctuating or if it's a permanent thing. We'll see. I'd love to hear from you, so please comment your comments down in the comments. And I'll see you tomorrow on the next one. Thanks.